Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for stocks with serious momentum in the healthcare sector, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down 5 pharma and biotech companies that are absolutely crushing it right now, and more importantly, why they're performing so well. We've got everything from big pharma giants to explosive biotech plays. So whether you're a conservative investor or someone hunting for growth, there's something here for you. Let's jump right in. First up, we have Eli Lilly, ticker symbol LLY, and this stock has been on an absolute tear. The main driver? 2 words: obesity drugs. Lilly's GLP-1 medications, Mounjaro for diabetes and Zepbound for weight loss, are seeing explosive demand that's honestly hard to overstate. We're talking about drugs that are so popular, they've been facing supply constraints because they literally can't make them fast enough. The obesity epidemic isn't going anywhere, which means this isn't a short-term trend. Analysts are projecting these drugs could generate tens of billions in annual sales, making them some of the most successful pharmaceutical launches in history. But here's what separates Lilly from being a one-trick pony. Their pipeline is stacked. They're heavily investing in oncology and neuroscience, which means even as the GLP-1 market matures, they've got multiple growth drivers lined up for the future. Strong revenue growth, increasing profits, and a pipeline that keeps Wall Street excited, that's the Eli Lilly story right now. Next up is a name everyone knows: Johnson & Johnson, ticker J&J. This is your classic big pharma powerhouse, and they're proving why diversification matters. J&J's oncology segment is absolutely killing it, led by their blockbuster drug Darzalex. This multiple myeloma treatment saw sales jump 22% to nearly $12 billion in 2024. That's massive. And they're not stopping there. Their immunology portfolio is also delivering strong performance across the board. Now, sure, some of their older products are facing competition and seeing declining sales. That's normal in pharma. But here's the thing. J&J's portfolio is so diversified that when one product faces headwinds, 5 others are picking up the slack. What I really appreciate about Johnson & Johnson is their consistency. They're not chasing the next hot trend. They're methodically building leadership positions in high-growth therapeutic areas like oncology and immunology. That's why even in uncertain market conditions, J&J remains a rock-solid performer. For investors wanting healthcare exposure with a dividend and proven execution, Johnson & Johnson continues to deliver. Our third stock is AbbVie, ticker ABBV, and this company just pulled off one of the most impressive transitions in recent pharma history. For years, everyone was worried about the Humira cliff. What would happen when AbbVie's blockbuster drug lost patent protection and faced biosimilar competition? Well, we got our answer, and it's better than almost anyone expected. AbbVie launched 2 new immunology drugs, Skyrizi and Rinvoq, and they didn't just replace Humira, they're exceeding it. Skyrizi became AbbVie's top product with over $11 billion in sales, representing a jaw-dropping 51% year-over-year increase. Meanwhile, Rinvoq hit $6 billion in sales with similarly explosive growth. Think about that for a second. Most companies would be struggling to offset the loss of their biggest product. AbbVie not only offset it, they're growing faster than before. The immunology market is huge and still expanding, treating conditions like Crohn's disease, psoriasis, and rheumatoid arthritis. AbbVie has positioned itself as a leader in this space, and the market is rewarding them for successful execution. This is a masterclass in pipeline management and commercial execution. Now, let's switch gears to biotech with Halozyme Therapeutics, ticker HALO. This stock is up over 60% year-to-date, and if you haven't heard of them, pay attention. Halozyme has created something incredibly valuable, a drug delivery technology called ENHANCE. Here's why it matters. Many drugs have to be administered intravenously in a hospital or clinic, taking hours. ENHANCE allows those same drugs to be given as quick subcutaneous injections, think under the skin, like an insulin shot. This is a game changer for patient convenience and healthcare costs. And here's the brilliant business model. Halozyme doesn't just sell one drug, they license this technology to major pharmaceutical companies, who then use it for their drugs. Every time one of those drugs succeeds, Halozyme gets milestone payments and royalties. We're talking about partnerships with some of the biggest names in pharma, generating a steady stream of revenue from multiple products simultaneously. As more subcutaneous formulations get approved and adopted, Halozyme's revenue engine keeps accelerating. This is the kind of biotech play that combines innovation with a recurring revenue model, a powerful combination that investors are clearly excited about. And finally, our fifth pick is Vertex Pharmaceuticals, ticker VRTX. This company has built an absolute empire in cystic fibrosis treatment. Vertex's CF therapies are the gold standard globally, generating billions in annual sales with strong demand that shows no signs of slowing down. But what's really exciting is that Vertex isn't content to be a one-disease company. They're expanding into sickle cell disease and other rare disorders, backed by positive late-stage clinical trial data. These are areas with massive unmet medical need and limited competition, which means if their therapies get approved and the data looks promising, they could open up entirely new multi-billion-dollar markets. What I love about Vertex is their focus. They're not trying to do everything. They're targeting rare diseases where they can make a real difference and charge premium prices. Combined with strong profitability, robust cash flow, and a diversifying pipeline, Vertex offers both current performance and future growth potential. This is a company that's proven it can dominate a therapeutic area and is now leveraging that expertise to expand into new frontiers. So there you have it, 5 pharma and biotech stocks with real momentum right now. We've got GLP-1 fever with Eli Lilly, diversified strength from J&J, AbbVie's immunology dominance, Halozyme's licensing machine, and Vertex's rare disease expertise. What all these companies share is innovation, strong pipelines, and a focus on addressing real unmet medical needs. That's how you win in healthcare. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more investing insights. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these 5 stocks interest you most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.